Hi, I'm Ginny from Body Enhancing Fitness, and today I'm going to show you how to do a glute bridge. Lay down on the floor with your knees bent. You're going to take your hands and place them firmly on the ground and relax your shoulders. Then you're going to take your belly button and point it up towards the sky. Then you're going to raise your glute up towards the sky. Make sure you're driving your weight through your heels as you lift your glutes up off the floor. If you're a beginner, you can rest in between each lift. If you want to make it more difficult, you lift, then tap the ground, then lift up again in one fluid movement. And that's how you do a glute bridge.